Another sneeze. What's going on? Ugh. Oh. I'm so sneezy today. I just... Oh, Adam's stuffy. I really don't know why. Oh, hi. Hi. No. I know I am sneezing, but... No, I'm not... No, I'm not sneezing that much, am I? No. No, I feel fine and I'm sure that was my last sneeze. See? No sneezing. No. No, I feel fine, I swear. No. I don't need to sneeze it. I feel totally fine. I know stifling's bad. It's just I didn't think I was gonna sneeze because I feel fine. See? I'm okay. Oh God. My nose tickles so much. Oh, my head is sore. But I feel fine. No, I can't have a cold because no, I just can't. Oh my God. I'm definitely not sick. I don't have a cold. And I don't want you to use your thermometer on me because I'm fine. Yes, I know you can still hear my stifles, but it doesn't matter because I'm not sick. See, I'm much better now. Ugh. Ugh. I guess I'm miserable and sick then. Ugh. I need some tea.